Hi guys, it's Enhanced by Julie, and today I have another fashion haul from the Rainbow Shop. This video is in collaboration with another YouTuber. Her name is Victoria Lashay. You guys, if you're already not subscribed to her channel, please go over there, subscribe to her channel, and let her know that Enhanced by Julie sent you. Her channel is just so dope. She put out great content. If you like what I'm doing, you will love what she is doing. We both are bringing you a collaboration from the Rainbow Shop, and we're just going to show you what we purchased. So after you look at my video, please go down below in the description and I'll have the link to her haul as well, so you can see what she bought as well. Okay, if you want to see, please stay tuned. Okay guys, I have my little receipt when my items came in the mail, so I know exactly what it is and how much I paid for it, and I'm going to give you my honest opinion on these items. The first item that I have is a drama embroidery sleeve top. This top is just so beautiful. I got this top in a size 2X and I paid $16.99 for the top, and this is it. You guys, this top is just so beautiful. So beautiful. It has the dramatic bubble sleeves on it. The sleeves is like an embroidery texture to it. It is just a nice top. The fitting of this top, when I looked at it online, it seemed to be like more of a t-shirt material, but when I got it, it was not what I expected. This material is a really nice material. One thing that I will say is that I will need to probably go up a size because this top is fitted on me. Usually from stores like this, if I usually get a 2X and it's a t-shirt, it fits because it's stretched. This right here does have a little bit of stretch to it, but I would say I would be more comfortable going up a size into a 3X in this top, and so I would get a 3X in it. But it's a very gorgeous shirt. I love the dramatic sleeve. That sold me when I saw it online. So very nice top, and this top was $16.99. The next item that I have is, I'm sorry y'all, I'm pulling this stuff out the bag as we go. I bought a pair of denim from them. The denim is called the Wax Rip Push Up Denim. I guess they supposed to make your butt look rounder. I already have a round butt, but that's what it's supposed to do, push it up and make it seems rounder. I got these jeans in a size 20. They fit pretty good. One thing that I will say, to me, with the two items, this item and the shirt before, I will say, well, with all the items, I will say that these clothes are cut a little smaller. I don't know if it's a junior plus site, or I'm not sure on that. I probably need to do some more research and really find out to see if it's a junior plus site. But with this size 20 and most stretch jeans in the size 20, I can fit them with no problem. But I'm noticing with these jeans, they fit good. They do fit good, but I guess it doesn't come up as high. I'm more of a mid-waist, high-waist type girl, so these came down a little bit low. However, these jeans are soft. They do have a lot of stretch in them, and I like the way they fit. I'm definitely going to keep these jeans and probably and wear them because I really like them. I like how they feel on me, and they are so soft, and I'm really into the distressed look, and they have that distressed look, so I really do like the jean. As far as lifting the butt, I would say it makes your bum looks really good in them. So these jeans, I paid $19.99 for these jeans, and I do have these in a size 20. So I would say if you are in regular stores that size, I would say just go up a size. Because I can fit some 18s, this 20, it works perfect for me. The next item that I have is a yellow wrap shirt. It's a yellow polka dot wrap shirt. You guys, when I saw this item online, it was so pretty. I just had to get this shirt. They had it in 3 colors, but this color, wearing this with a pair of jeans, I can see myself wearing this shirt. It has ruffles that come around as it wraps. It was just so pretty, but it did not fit. The arms on this shirt, I would say, is probably made to fit a large or extra large. This shirt has no stretch. As a matter of fact, it's made to fit a large. The sleeves on this shirt, I mean the whole shirt, it has no stretch or anything, so it was just a miss for me. I hate that I couldn't fit it. It is a beautiful color. I did get this shirt in a I got this shirt in a 3X, and they only go up to a 3X. So I mean, the sizing on this shirt, I mean the only part that doesn't fit me is the arm part. I put it on, I was able to tie it and wrap the other part, but the arm was just too tight. I believe if I would have went like this, I would have Incredible Hulk that shirt. Like, I would have ripped this shirt to pieces, and I didn't want to risk that. So it's just not for me. I believe that if you are a size large, this would be a perfect shirt for you. Okay guys, the next 3 items that I'm bringing you, I think these are my favorite items of everything, of the whole haul. I really am happy that I purchased these items. They will come into use during the summer. They are so comfy. The first item that I have is a black knit t-shirt dress. A black knit t-shirt dress. This dress, the material of this dress is just so soft. It's a real stretchy material, but it's so soft and so, it just feels good on the skin. The sleeves do, it does dip in the back as well as in the front. I believe you can wear it slightly off the shoulder. You can wear that look with it. It's just a dress that just feels good on. I mean, I can see me wearing this dress a lot during the summer. I'm very pleased with the material on this dress. It's just a great dress to have. Oh yeah, and the price of this dress, believe it or not, was only $8.99. You can't beat that. For $8.99, I got this dress. They had probably 5 other colors. I think I'm going to go back and maybe get 2 more colors, because this dress is just, I really do like this dress and the fit of it. And just know, as I'm trying on these dresses, I did not have on any shapewear. So imagine these dresses with a little bit, with shapewear, a little bit of support. It will suck my stomach in. This dress will look so bomb. The next dress I have, the next item, oh, the rattling. Okay guys, the next item I have is the scoop neck laser back dress. I got this dress in white. Again, this dress is made out of the same material as the black dress. This is just a very comfortable dress. I like the laser slit details in the back of the dress. It gives it character. Again, this dress was $8.99. Like the black dress, it is a size 3X. These are body comb dress, so I made sure I got them in a 3X just to make sure I gave myself extra room, because I really didn't know how the sizing will be at the Rainbow Shop. But this dress is just beautiful. I'm going to definitely get a lot of wear out of these dresses during the summer. Okay guys, the next dress I have is the off-shoulder yummy dress, and I got it in ivory. You guys, like the white and black dress, this dress is made out of the same material, but it is an off-the-shoulder dress. This dress, I would say, fits more snug to the body. This is a true body comb dress. And I just love this dress. It reminds me of spring with flowers blooming. This is really a nice dress. I love the fit of it. Like the other dresses, I did not try this dress on with shapewear. So with shapewear, it would look even better. But I didn't try it on with shapewear so you guys can see the bulges, the bumps and the lumps and everything else that goes with it. But overall, it is a nice dress. Okay guys, that's the end of my haul from the Rainbow Shop. Please like, subscribe, and comment below. Again, don't forget to go over and click on the link below to Victoria Lashay's haul from the Rainbow Shop. If you know a friend that know a friend who may like plus size fashion, just please tell them to come on over to my channel and subscribe. I'm gonna give my honest opinion. I work hard for my money. I'm spending my hard-earned money on this, so I'm going to give you the real. As far as the Rainbow Shop, I believe this is my first purchase from them. I was kind of satisfied with what I got. I love the dresses. For the price of those dresses, I don't think you can beat that. And I don't think I told you guys that the floral print dress, off the shoulder dress, was $11.99. So for the other two solid dresses that were $8.99 and a floral dress that was $11.99, you can't beat that. And I believe that I will purchase other items from them again. The jeans, they were okay. I love the fit of them. It's just that their shirts are cut a little on the smaller side. So I would say if you shop from there and you plus size, you probably need to size up. Like you need to size up. So if you are standard 18-20 from Ashley Stewart's or from Lane Bryant, I think you need to size up in order to get a comfortable fit from the Rainbow Shop. Again, thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate all the support that you guys have given me over this past month. I have a lot more things coming up in the future, so please hit the bell so you can be notified when I put out new stuff. Again, thank you for watching. I think the price fits the merchant. Hi guys, it's in Jude.